Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to give you just really one outlook into tomorrow. I believe it comes with part of what I feel is the energy of the moment, and that is really just the way that I have been interpreting. You get through the Fed minutes, and on Wednesday, it was kind of a little bit of a hurry up and wait situation for those minutes to be announced. And when they do, you get the initial reaction move, and you'll always get some type of initial reaction. A lot of times, the real move can come the next day. Now, I think you see that pattern a little bit more during the actual Fed days, right? The actual 2-day meeting and conclusion thereof. But I'm just saying, in this case, we got through what could possibly be like the shockwave day, the day that, the information gets more interpreted. And nothing really happened, right? So there's no shockwave, no big, tremors left over from the FO and from the Fed minutes. And that just gets you back into expiration, right? Where if there's not any sharp type of, events like that that are going to be driving the price, well, then price will just kind of naturally gyrate to where it causes the most pain for the most number of investors. Now, I actually don't think max pain is at 4,300 tomorrow, but I do think there is the chance of drifting into those strikes. So much of what I feel I've seen in this market are situations where bears could have taken a hold of things and just couldn't do it. Kind of more of that this morning where there's a bearish opportunity and they just couldn't do it. So if you see more of this on Friday morning and maybe you have some weakness down around 42.80, I think trying to take some type of a butterfly up into 4,300 makes a lot of sense. So this will have to be taken within the context of the day, right? I wake up on Friday and make sure, there's no calamities that have hit the wire or anything like that. But, think about how Apple closed today. All of this is still very strong. And as long as that continues, I think a push into that psychological value for the broad index makes good sense. And that is where I'll be looking to put some cash for tomorrow's trade. So I hope that is helpful. Y'all have a great rest of your evening, and we will see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.